It was a story that began behind closed doors. Today, its conclusion played out in the most public of ways.
Malka Leifer is guilty. We have waited 11 years to say those words. Yes, it's bittersweet, but she is guilty.
For these sisters, Nicole, Dassie and Ellie, it's been a long quest for justice.
We had doubts this day would come.
Malka Leifer, the sisters' former school principal, was today found guilty of child sexual offences against two of the three sisters. The allegations dated back 2 decades to her time as the head of the ultra-Orthodox Adass Israel School. Today, the jury found her guilty of 18 of the 27 charges, including 6 counts of rape, 6 child sexual offences and 6 counts of indecent assault. You could have heard a pin drop in the courtroom as the verdicts were read out. The first 5 verdicts were not guilty, but then a tide of guilty verdicts followed. Malka Leifer stood in the dock, showing no emotion through it all.
Her abuse has held us hostage for so many years.
The sisters were born into Melbourne's insular ultra-Orthodox community and were students at the Adass Israel School, where Malka Leifer became principal. The jury accepted Leifer preyed on the sisters and exploited their ignorance about sex. Hours after the allegations surfaced, the school board bought flights to Israel for Leifer and her family. Despite Malka Leifer's arrest in 2014 and repeated appeals from Australia for extradition, 70 court deferrals tested relations between the countries. For years, Leifer avoided detection as her lawyers successfully argued she was too mentally unfit to stand trial, even while covert vision would tell another story. But explosive claims of political interference by ultra-Orthodox politicians rocked Israel. And in 2020, an Israeli court found Leifer had been faking illness, finally bringing her to justice. Christian Silva, ABC News, Melbourne.
And if you or someone you know needs help, please contact 1800-RESPECT by phone or their website.